Should the senior high school students be included in a surprise drug test by the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency?
So, according to Christina Murray, 2019, there are a lot of teens that are experimenting with alcohol and drugs. As a child becomes a teenager, they tend to have that feeling that they want to belong in a particular group or be accepted in a particular group.
The current government, Duterte's administration, emphasized the importance of putting an end to the spread of illegal drugs. Stressing on this matter, it pushed agencies of the government like PIDEA to implement projects and programs to help reach this goal. As citizens of our country, it is our call to help and support the programs of our government. Thus, including senior high school in the random drug test must be implemented. Despite the notion that it can invade the privacy of senior high school students, they still should be included because it can correct their wrongdoings at an early stage. It can help the government stop the use of minors in drug smuggling and distribution, and it can help the government know the number of youth who needs intervention. Here's the overview of our arguments.
We are presenting three pro-arguments in implementing the random drug testing to senior high school students. First, the random drug testing can correct the students' wrongdoing at an early age because teens are vulnerable and they are exploring and beginning to pursue their educational ambitions. That means they are easily influenced. They can be influenced by listening through music that are referencing drug abuse. Second is teens are depressed. Taking drugs is their only way of coping up with emotional problems and are keeping them sane. But they neglected the fact that it is addicting. Second is the random drug testing can help the government in stopping the use of minors in smuggling and distribution because teens can meet someone who is older than them and can be introduced by this individual to drugs. There are a significant number of children that were involved in drug use and trafficking. Drug pushers uses children or teens because they are hard to trace. Also, a lot of Filipinos are affected by poverty because of lack of job offering, which will result in Filipinos looking for an easy way to get money to feed their family, and that is dealing with drugs. Mainly high school students or senior high school students because they are hard to trace.
Lastly, implementing random drug tests to senior high school students will help the government know the number of youth who needs intervention, as this will give a reliable source for their investigation. It will give an idea of what appropriate intervention will be given to those who will be tested positive. And it will determine the number of drug users among students. Also, it can pave the way for discovering better and much effective intervention, as research says that it is effective in reducing drug use and improve school-based drug abuse prevention programs. However, the downside of implementing this project is that it invades the privacy of the senior high school students, as during the collection of the urine sample, the specimen collector will have to accompany the student in the collection area. But this idea is much better than having a CCTV camera installed to record the process of the collection of sample, as the purpose of this is to secure the validity of the test results. Although there is an argument that the implementation of a random drug test to senior high school students disrespect their privacy, they still must be included because it can correct their wrong behavior at an early stage. Also, the government can stop the use of minors in drug smuggling and distribution. Also, it can assist in determining the number of students who need intervention, as this gives us a much better way of addressing this issue. Thank you.